course, we went to Chicago Outlet, so we did some shopping, yes. And then,
Am I with you guys there?
no.
Oh,
Sorry.
goodbye.
And then, Mika booked an Uber for, yes,
5.
for 5
The
people.
characters are me, Ate Jo, Ate Colette, Nix, Taco.
Yeah. She booked an Uber. Because we were carrying a lot of stuffs and it was really heavy. Pero malapit lang yung hotel, ah.
Lapit lang,
Sobrang
mga
lapit lang, 5
5
minutes walk.
That is near, and then,
and then,
ayan na, sakay na kami sa Uber. Ayan. Oh, chill sa kami. Oh, thank you, Mix. Ayan. Oh.
ayun na.
Hey,
You're
baba.
still gonna pay, okay?
Okay, later. Eh di, ayan na, binaba na kami sa hotel. Sabi namin, is this it? Tapos kasi ang palatandaan namin, yung ano natin, yung bus. If nakapark na doon. Tapos, ay, alam na. Anyways, so yun yung palatandaan namin. Tapos sabi namin, hindi, baka nasa likod lang nakapark. Eh, di,
And before that, we asked Mika several times, Mika, are you booking?
Wait! Let me explain.
Location.
First of all, the original hotel was right beside it, okay?
No.
It was.
That was too far. Okay, don't fight.
okay, fighting.
You still owe me $4.
No fighting, please.
She's crying. Oh, Bebe, don't cry. And then what happened next?
Hirap na mag-explain. Yeah, so nandun na kami sa hotel, kami ni Mika, we were looking for our room. Room 621. What? Tapos naman ah. Tapos naman na room 336. So it's 621 and then we were looking for our room. Tapos wala siya. Parang yun lang yung walang room.
Yes.
So naghahanap kami.
Pero sa amin ni Shi,
Meron.
meron room 336. So,
Pero hindi
nandun.
nag-work.
Pero ganun kami na ganun, no? Bebe, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working.
Yeah, and then...
Na-realize natin lahat.
Hindi, na-realize namin lahat mahali yung hotel. Ang dami namin pinamili. Nakaganon kami lahat o lumipat. Buti walang blue. We called Mommy Jo pa. Oh yeah, we called our
Miss
manager.
MQ.
We called our mother, Miss MQ, and then we said, Mother, we're lost kasi medyo nagpapanik na ako deep inside. Yung pala, she said, just go to blah blah hotel. Tapos paglingon namin, andun lang.
Oh, see, it's near!
We just panic and it's organic.
Yes, we're just human beings.
We're just human. It's normal. It's normal.
So, ang moral, ang nakuha nating story doon,
It's okay to panic.
yes,
It's organic. That's the moral lesson. So,
Okay.
but, out of my head yun.